Okay, cleaning up and resetting. So, in this case, we have an indication that says build complete, clear the platform, and we've done that. Now we need to clean this up. So what we're going to do is we're going to unclip the blue platter. We're going to take that out. We got this mess on here. We are going to walk to the nearest sink. Wow, look at this. We're walking through the lab. We're going to the sink here. We got our bucket. We got some water. We got water-soluble glue. You can see it turning purple. All right. Put that like that. And you're going to want to make sure there's a good amount of water on there. You can actually see that it's rinsing off, just like a dish in a sink. All right, because it's water soluble. And what you're going to do is, once you've got that pretty well cleared off, all right, is you're going to make sure that you dry that off. All right. So we're going to make sure we dry this off and take it back to we got our people right here. We're going to dry this off and then we're going to take it back. Okay, so we've dried off our platter. The reason we have to dry it off, remember, is because we use water-soluble glue. So if it's wet and you try to apply glue to it, it won't work. So we've got those reclipped and we can click accept. However, we also want to check to make sure that it still functions correctly. So we're going to click level. You can see ensure leveling switch is free of glue residue. So there's no glue on here. And what's happening is the 3D printer is going to check. All right, so we've advanced this, verified that the build platform is level. So we're leveling. So this little indicator, all right, is going to do a little check to make sure that the various components of the platform are level. So it does a little touch off there. And it's going to move around to a couple of other positions to check that it's zeroed out. All right. And if there is an issue, you're going to be asked to turn that blue knob. All right. So that blue knob that's underneath the platform right there, it's going to say building platform is too low. Turn left to raise. So we're going to turn this to the left and then it's going to verify that it's good. I'm going to check that. Leveling is complete. So the process has been finished. So we know that the platform is ready to go for the next print job. Okay, so this is setting up, cleaning up, and getting ready for the next print job. If you have any questions, always be sure to ask. But at this point in time, you should now have a pretty good understanding of how to do a 3D print at Nicolet High School.